Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today's question is called find the minimum in notated sorted array 2. So let's look up the question. Suppose an array sorted in ascending order is located at some pivot unknown to you beforehand. For example, the array sorted suppose from 0, 1 to 7, but since it's rotated, could be from 0 to 0, 1 to already move to the right and 4, 5, 6, 7 on the left. And what we are tasked just to find the answer, the minimum in this case is 0. The second example, look at the first example is easy. It is already in order, didn't notate. So the minimum is 1. The second example, they also have a duplicate. And the first item, it is 2. And it is going to have a 0. And so then it already rotated 0 and 1 to the right. For this kind of a question, like a sorted array, you first thinking, suppose either use a binary search. So today I'm going to use a two way, but they actually have a one easy way. If we use a min heap, we just push everybody in. We are just pop the small element on top. Then when we finish all of it, then we just return the top element. For binary search is straight away you go left and right. Compare which one is big, just go to the smallest one always. And first, just let's use a min heap. Min heap is quite a very fast search. Most of the time we are going to use min heap. Let's do min heap with this first way. So first we just check if this element it is 0, that means I have a no point to do, just do edge case. And afterwards we just have our min heap. So normally it is from the under the namespace called a priority queue. And we queue our integer called a min heap. I believe by default already it is supposed to just ascending, but in case, so I have A and B, and then when they push each element in, I use A minus B. So the smaller one will float to the top, always on the top. Now you simply just push each element into, so you reorder everybody to ascending order. The minimum one will on the top. After you finish push in, then the top, this is the min heap. No, sometimes I call queue, sometimes just call min heap, since min heap more makes sense. It is a queue, but min heap more makes sense for this scenario, just name it like a min heap. Now on the top element, it is the minimum, so you just return min heap dot pull the top element out. This is just what you expect. Now we just run the code. And it accepted. So we just submit it. Now we finish this one, we do a binary search. I think these two concepts you're supposed to understand it. So for array, binary search will slightly faster than use min heap because each time we compare with two elements. So it's like a pattern, so you just need to remember it. We always have a left and right item. So left is 0 and right it is the last element on the array. And when we start a loop, we compare left and our right. And we go into find the middle. So these are our middle item. We go into compare the middle item is smaller than the right. Then the right move to the middle. Because it's definitely in order. So if the right smaller than the middle, then you just move to the middle because we're looking for the smaller one. Looking the middle position smaller than the right position means we still we expect the middle position, so we keep the right to the middle position. Otherwise, you're going to compare if the middle position is greater than the right position. So either the middle is bigger than the right or middle is greater than the right position. If great, then means you left can move to the middle +1. Otherwise, you could have a duplicated. No matter if you have a duplicate, and just remove a current one. Now after you finish it, then we return the left because we keep the left is the smallest one. Left position, keep the left while loop finish. Now just let's run the code again. Compile else. Yeah, it still finished successfully. Now we just submit it. It also accepted. And for normally, if just normally not relocated, you don't need else if. So either move left or just move the right to the middle. But in this position, you could have a duplicated, and also because have been notated, so you need to have a else if and if duplicate, just remove a current item. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.